Hey guys, we're out here today at Ashton Woods. We're out here in front gate, which is by Fair Oaks Ranch, checking out this incredible home I'm standing in front of. I'm going to spin around here and switch my camera and kind of show you what we're looking at here. So if you look at this here, this is this awesome home. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, almost 3,000 square feet, way bigger than 2. You'll see when we get in. It's just incredible. This is one of the most beautiful homes I've seen in a long time. As you know me, I've seen a lot of homes with tours. So as you come into the front, it has this big, tall door. And then the first thing you notice as you come in, there's this gorgeous tile throughout the whole house here at the floor. So I'm going to come in here, and then as you come in here and take a left, it opens up into what would be a great little office room, media room, game room, whatever you want. There's a couple things that are special of this home that you want to pay attention to. One of them, as you can see, there's a cable and a Wi-Fi, a high-speed internet cord in every single room. So it's wired for high-speed internet, so you can have all your special toys, your PS5, whatever, ready to go. As you can see, the ceilings are very tall, 10-foot ceilings. It might even be 12, at least 10 to 12-foot ceilings. I have to find out exactly. And then, man, I just can't even say how beautiful it is. As you can just see right here, walking around this simple. Big, tall cabinets, gas range, built-in oven and microwave. And this huge living room just keeps going. It has 2 places you can put your TV. If you want to put it here, you could actually put it over here. If you don't want to use that as like a eating area or a storage, you could also put it here if you wanted to. Or you can put it up top. It's really built for your TV to go above the fireplace, and then it's already pre-wired to put all your boxes here, and then you can put everything right there. And then one of the things that Ashton Woods has that's beautiful is this big, huge patio. What this means here is that if I come here and open it, I'm going to come to the patio, which is beautiful by itself, and I'm going to open these doors, and you can see them opening up now, kind of showing you right there. It opens the whole way through. So I can open the outside all the way up to the inside. And now those screen doors open. And now I have inside, outside, if I do a party, if I want to do any big things, all the way open. And look at this gorgeous back porch. Look at that craftsmanship. Beautiful beams ready to go. Has electrical out here. Everything is beautiful. Let me shut this because it's like 110. So we don't burn up the AC here. You can see how huge this house is, how wide it is. Now, one thing that's really cool about this house is you come down to the left side. I'm going to show you a room here. This looks like it would be a master. It's not. It's just a big bedroom with its own walk-in bathroom. And then it opens up here to another bedroom. So there's a Jack and Jill. It's kind of a hidden Jack and Jill in the back that nobody would know is there. And then it opens up back here towards the edge of the kitchen living room. And now we're back in that dining room. Pretty impressive. And then as we walk back over here to the other side, if I come back to the master, something really cool over here in the master. This is going to be hard to believe, but this master, as I turn, I'm standing in the back, you see how long. The master's going to be at least almost, 30, 40 feet long. Huge master. Just incredible. So much space, so easy. You could put up your bed in one area, have a sitting area all set. And I don't have all the electricity up yet turned on in the house over here. So here's their soaking tub. Separate huge walk-in shower, you can see, big enough easily for 2 people. And then as you come in here, there's a big closet. Hopefully we have enough light to see the closet well. Not too bad. This big wraparound closet, and it extends all the way out, this huge closet. Now again, this incredible master is like 20 feet long. I'm gonna walk through this master. You almost get tired just walking through the master. It's so huge. It's ridiculous. You'll love it. And then as you come back here, you see those big doors again that all slide open to let you go to the outside, inside. And then on the side here, it does have a 3-car garage. But it's one where you would park your car and then move it forward. And again, we're going to slow down for a second and show you this big kitchen one more time. Just amazing. And then as you come in the home, if we didn't even take a right yet, there's more. It's incredible. As you come in this big, beautiful home to the right here, as you come in, there is this huge bedroom ready to go. So here's the bedroom. This would be great if you have an older child or a mom or dad living with you, because it does have its own full bathroom as well. Now this home is ready to go. Again, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, out by Fair Oaks Ranch in Boerne, built by Ashton Woods. Love to make an appointment to show it to you. Talk to you soon.